Hello everybody. Today we're going to talk about a troubleshooting guide on the AirPods Pro 2 battery draining fast. Number 1, keep AirPods in case when not in use. One of the most common reasons why AirPods lose their charge so fast is that people don't keep them in charging case when they aren't in active use. If you leave an AirPod hanging around outside of its case, the earbud is still using battery because if it is connected to your device's Bluetooth. If it's not in your ear, put it back in the case where it will charge. Avoid needlessly flipping open the case. Every time you open the lid of your AirPods case, the Bluetooth chip is activated as your AirPods search for a nearby device to connect to. If you have a habit of idly flipping the lid of your AirPods case open and closed when they aren't in use, give it a rest if you can. The batteries in your earbuds will love it. Number 3, disable automatic ear detection. Apple's AirPods include a feature called automatic ear detection that allows the audio routed from a connected device to seamlessly switch to the AirPods the moment that you put them in your ear. This allows the AirPods to automatically pause the audio track when you remove them and resume playback when you put them back again. Number 4, avoid using only one AirPod at a time. If one AirPod battery is draining quicker than the other AirPod, it could be because you're using it more. This causes the AirPod's battery to go through more cycles than its twin, which ultimately makes its ability to hold a charge deteriorate faster. Number 5, enable optimized battery charging. For the AirPods Pro and AirPods 3rd generation, include a optimized battery charging feature that is designed to reduce the wear on your battery and improve its lifespan by reducing the time that AirPods spend fully charged. Number 6, turn off spatial audio. On AirPods Pro and AirPods 3rd generation, spatial audio uses Dolby Atmos to create a richer, more immersive soundstage when listening to supported songs in the Apple Music catalog. If it's not something you appreciate, you better off disabling spatial audio, which will extend your AirPods battery. Make sure your AirPods are connected to your phone. Launch the control center with a diagonal swipe down from the upper right of the screen. Touch and hold the volume control bar and tap spatial audio button to turn it on or off. And number 7, update AirPods firmware. Apple occasionally releases firmware updates for its AirPods and AirPods Pro wireless earphones that can include performance improvements, future tweaks, and bug fixes. If you're having a battery drain issue with your AirPods or AirPods Pro, or if you just want to make sure they're up to date with the latest software, then here are the steps. Number 1, insert your AirPods in the case if they aren't already. Connect your AirPods charging case to a power source using the included Lightning or USB-C cable. Or alternatively, place the case on a QI compatible wireless charging mat if you have a wireless charging case or AirPods Pro. Move the iPhone or iPad that the AirPods have been paired with near to the charging case and make sure the iOS device has an internet connection. After a short while, any available software updates should be automatically downloaded and installed. That's it. Thanks for watching.